Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Here I share unique, yummy and delicious recipes for all the occasions. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Our kids love street food, but we mom don't want them to eat unhealthy and unhygienic food. We always look for different recipes for our kids in lunchbox or snacks so that they can satisfy their hunger and our concern about their health. Considering both, today I'm gonna share you the recipe for all the kids and egg lovers, which is very popular street food, vegetables and egg roll. These rolls are very juicy and moist, and this is my version of making rolls to make it extra healthy and yummy. It can be served as a snack or a proper meal. So please do watch this video till the end. Let's get started.
Let's make a dough first. For that I am taking 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half a cup of refined flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and mix everything together. I need that elasticity, that is why I am using maida also. Adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, mix everything nicely and make a soft dough by adding water gradually like we need for chapati or paratha. Cover it with the kitchen towel and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Till then I am making a filling. As I told you guys, this is my version of roll. So heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, adding freshly grated ginger and garlic. Adding one chopped medium size onion. Let it cook until it turns translucent. Adding half small carrot and capsicum finely chopped. One cup chopped cabbage and let it cook. Please maintain the crunch of vegetables. Time for seasoning: salt as per the taste, black pepper and 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Our filling is ready now. Let's make a salad now. 1 small onion in juliennes, half a cup of cabbage, half carrots and half capsicum cut in juliennes, and salt, Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and mix everything together. For sauce, I am taking 2 tablespoons of Szechuan and 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup and mix both the sauce nicely. Our sauce is ready. Let's roll the chapati. So roll it nicely. We want not too thick nor too thin. Size is perfect here. Keep it in the kitchen towel, on the kitchen towel. And I'm showing another method of chapati. I'm making lachha paratha here. Roll a normal chapati and apply some oil and dust with some flour and make pleats like the way I'm doing. Stretch it little bit and make a roll and make a chapati with the help of rolling pin. I have shown you 2 different type of chapatis. You can use any one of them for this recipe. Cook the chapati with the help of oil from both the sides. We need a soft chapati, so make it on a high flame. Our chapati is ready. Now applying sauce which we made earlier, and place some filling and salad. Sprinkle some mayonnaise. Fold it like I am doing. You can wrap it with the aluminum foil or butter paper and serve it like this. Now moving to egg rolls. cooked chapati, and let's beat our eggs with the pepper and salt. Take a dosa tawa and spread this egg batter on it. Do not worry about the shape, it's completely fine. Just make a thin omelette and place the chapati on omelette so that our roll can fold easily. Apply some sauce, spread it evenly. Place our filling and sides of omelette if you have, and salad, and of course mayonnaise, and fold it like the way I'm doing. Our rolls are ready to serve. So our meal is ready here. We have chapatis, vegetables and eggs, which makes it perfect, easy and yummy. You can add it in your menu for breakfast or for lunch box. So enjoy this recipe. Bye.
I hope you would love to try this recipe at home and make your kids happy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do leave your comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel. Share it with your family and friends. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.